Today I'm going to show you how to enhance colors in a brilliant way by using saturation masks. For the background layer selected, press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy. Now go to Filter, Other, and then HSB, HSL. Select that one. Now you can choose either HSB or HSL, but in my opinion, HSL creates much more natural results. You can try both of them. Hit OK. Now, you're going to receive a crazy looking image. Don't worry about that. All you need to do is to go to Channels and then hold the Control or Command. Click on the thumbnail of the green channel. It is based upon saturation. Now get back to layers. You can delete this one with the selection active. Click on the adjustment layer icon and then choose Hue Saturation. Now it's going to create a hue saturation adjustment layer with the mask based on the active selection. All you need to do now is to simply increase the saturation. Have a look, it's so natural, right? Without the mask, it goes crazy, but with the mask, it's very vibrant and natural at the same time.